Welcome, fellow drone enthusiasts, to the LBBB channel. This is the worst moment for any pilot. Instead of a beautiful shot over the water, all I have left is this 5-second cache file and the flight log. Let me at least show you how to pull up the final moments of your drone's life. You might not know this, but even if you lose your drone, you still have the evidence. If you were recording during flight, a low-res video is automatically saved to your phone or controller as a cache file. Along with it, a full flight log is saved right into your app. It tracks your speed, battery, and critical error messages second by second, which is exactly the proof you need for a DJI warranty claim. Now let's look at how the flight went. As I said, I needed a quick launch. I was already in the air before the satellites were ready, so the home point wasn't saved yet. The battery was full, the controller signal was perfect, so I just went for it. But the moment the drone picked up the satellites, it just dropped straight down, in this case, right into a flowing river. Pay close attention to the messages that appear on screen. I've done quick launches like this a million times and never had an issue. Everything you see, I've already sent over to DJI support and I'm waiting for a reply. What's your take on this? Has this ever happened to you? Ever lost a drone like this? Let me know in the comments, and if you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe.